Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, I'm 0. I'm joined by Uzulu.
Sibo!
Yeah!
Sibo!
Yeah!
Sibo!
Yeah!
Sibo!
Yeah!
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates!
Yes!
Kodwa Sibo! Ngifake ijezi lebafana.
Kala buti!
Namhlanje.
Yeah!
Bayazi ngisanda one.
Yeah!
Why ngifake ijezi lebafana bethi wena uyisanda one siyakubona uyisanda one. Bazongihlukumeza embombeni. Bangihlukumeza nasemthelere.
Amapakani!
Sibo! Congratulations to Ibhakaniya. Sibo, one thing Sibo. Ngicela ukuthi Ibhakaniya abadlali ukho Prosa babizile.
Yeah!
Beleza iqiniso masifike eUSA.
Yeah!
Se-USA manje.
Yeah!
Asibumbane siwumzansi.
Yeah!
Sibe into eyodwa.
Yeah!
Nokuye Sibo.
Yes!
Uma amabhakaniya ezocabanga ukuthi namhlanje azolala esiminyele ukuthi angafuni isithethe sesibili angamane siyo review ukuthi ayithethe kanjani ikhaphela Sibo ngombane ebhakaniya unqobo
Sibo, after 14 years of hunger, Sibo, after 14 years of hunger, after 14 years of suffering, finally God has answered our prayer. So this is a lesson to everyone that God will never leave you, God will never forsake you. Keep praying, keep hustling. God is good all the time, all the time. Thank you. Thank you.